Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this bloody set combo on Dress to Impress. So for the top I'm going to be using this one in the dirty toggle. Color it red like this. Might make it a little bit lighter. Then for the hands, you do kind of need VIP for this a little bit. But you can just use, you can use just this one with this one, but make this one kind of red, but it is a little bit too much, I think, and it's too, like, as you can see, it looks kind of weird. Maybe if you want to, you can combine it with this, but it's just not the sleeves. So I'm just going to get the other glove that they have here. I don't know if I should color this one red or the other one red. I think I'm just going to go to this one and color that the skin tone. Okay, let me just remove this one and like leave it like that maybe. Then for the kind of like pants, we're just going to get this one type 3, and then we're also going to get this one in the skin color, and then this one in red, and then we're going to also get this one in red for both of that. If you want to, you can make that type 2 instead. Maybe add some like metallic or foil to make it more realistic. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.